We did it. Oh my God, we did it. It took a while, man. I tell you, I am not a video guy. I'm just letting you guys know I'm not a video guy. I'm a photo guy. But man, it took me a while to get this stuff working. So what did I do? I got my ZV-E1 right there. I'm running Audacity over here for my audio. And then now I'm running the Sony Imaging Edge, I think it is. And I got it running on my computer. Man, this is awesome. So now I can click record. I can click for my audio. And I got things working and streaming. So hey, I just want to clue you guys into a little teaser video that I have going on. It's coming soon. Now I'm shifting gears. I'm taking my photography hat off, putting on my investing hat. Now's the time to subscribe. I got some really good content coming. I'm not going to say too much about it right now. So keep your eyes on my page. It's right around the corner. I'm really excited about this. I finally got this studio dialed in. There are a couple changes that I need to make to the lighting. That's coming. But for the most part, I like where I landed. So let's see how this goes, man. I'm just really excited that I finally got this audio working and I got this video working the way I want it. So talk to you later.